Today I'm going to show you how to make this deep dish Italian pizza style focaccia bread. It's absolutely simple to make and it's delicious. We're going to start with this 5-minute bread recipe that I've been using for several years. This is a no knead bread recipe. Salt, yeast, water, flour, that's all it's going to take to make this dough come together very quickly. I will leave a link to the dough recipe in the description box below. The ingredients you're going to need: olive oil, pasta sauce or pizza sauce. Today I'm going to use just a plain pasta sauce, a red onion, but you can use any other onion like a yellow onion or spring onions, pepperoni from my local butcher, mini mozzarella balls, rosemary, basil, and a little bit of thyme. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees. Set the upper and the lower elements. Place the rack in the middle of the oven and a roasting tray on the bottom rack. I always put a temperature chart above my stove, a little cheat sheet to help me when I'm cooking and baking. I usually use a big perforated tray like this for my family, or I'll use a large flat silicone pan. That's what I normally would use. Today I'm going to choose just a small deep dish for my son and a tiny one for me.
So then you put some olive oil and then mix it around. Put in the dough and mix it out across the platter. Because if you also keep it in one place, then it'll just be a ball of dough and probably won't be nice. I'm just like kind of trying to make it a little bit smooth. If it's bumpy, it doesn't need to be like super smooth, but it's nice if it's smooth. Okay, so now I'm making the bowl for me. Also add some olive oil. Kind of the same thing, but the smaller the bowl, the smaller the amount of dough. So I'm just getting the dough right now, okay? If it sticks to your fingers, then you could add some flour. Okay, so now I'm done with that. I'm adding the pasta sauce / pizza sauce. I'm using pasta sauce, as I did say earlier. Just spreading it out. Doesn't need to be everywhere, but if it's spread out, it's nice. Now I'm adding it in mine. A bit of rosemary. Now you can add some pepperoni bits and also some mozzarella. I just dried them up. Also, you can add some onions. It also makes it more tastier. Add salt and pepper. That's all of these toppings are optional, just so you know, but it just makes them taste better. Put it in the oven at 230 degrees for 25 minutes.
Here's what it looks like after about 25 minutes, or bake until it's crispy and golden on the top. Here's the small portion. You can see it's light, it's airy, it's just absolutely perfect focaccia bread. How much would you pay for this in a gourmet restaurant or artisan cafe? This was simple and easy to make, and it took no time at all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this.